All right. Last opening bell of the week coming up, but we got enough time for a mad dash. Atlassian shares are going to be up sharply.
Symbol team. I think that people look to enterprise software. When I think about that, you think about Salesforce, Workday, ServiceNow, which stock was down yesterday because the federal business is going to be more back-ended. Well, this is collaboration software. It makes it so that you can collaborate better with your customers, collaborate better with your teammates. It really does work. I had them on a bunch of times. But I will tell you this, David. It's the beacon. The growth hounds in the market always want to have the high multiple, rule of 40 kind of stocks. Palantir, right, which is, I told you, is going to 100 no matter what, by hook or crook. But Atlassian is just a really good company, and everybody I know who's on it, young people, tend to be on it, and they're putting the older people at the office to shame because they work much faster with it. But it works, it's terrific, and it's going to allow people to buy enterprise software again, which had been down in the dumps after ServiceNow.
It's interesting. It was a COVID favorite as well, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Ran up to $450 or so. If you go back 5 years, you can see it.
Right, well,
but unlike so many others, it sort of at least regains a good amount of that decline
it's
that
loved.
took place since then.
It's loved in the office. And great guys, by the way. I had them on a bunch of times. And I will say this, David, enterprise software is the lifeblood of so many different people versus, say, Apple. They'll pay 30 times cash flow for these, 50 times sales, all that stuff. Instead of what you're saying about Apple, there's no discipline when it comes to these companies because people want high growth. And those managers now have been given a green light to go back and buy all that stuff because of Atlassian.
Interesting.
They did. Right. They thought they had the green light from ServiceNow. They didn't get it.
No. Those shares were punished yesterday.
Yes, they were punished.
They were punished.
They were punished.
Hi, Carl.